Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI MatePad 11 to an Android device. First of all, access App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Following that, you need to click on the search bars and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer on both devices and open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on an Android. So I accept, then confirm, continue, allow. Now select send on HUAWEI and receive on an Android. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with photos category. Click on this one photo and select send only, for example. Then click got it, and as you can see over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose receive or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like that one. Choose Continue, click on Browse in the middle, and tap on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!